The first time I saw drizzle in England, I realized that I was really far away from home, far away from my beloved monsoon rain. The monsoon in India holds an almost spiritual significance for me. When it would rain, my father would take us out into the courtyard and would stand there getting drenched in the rain. Everything was glistening. It felt like the whole universe was dancing. Monsoon is that. It's a book that was always in me. It's really about my childhood. Because what this book celebrates is the joy of eating. The joy of eating linked to seasons, to flavors. I take you through the 6 flavor patterns of Ayurveda: tangy, bitter, hot, sweet, sour, and salty. It's simple, it's straightforward, and the combinations work so well that when you finish your meal, your palate is alive, your soul is nourished. I want people to read this book and think, I'm going to make something vibrant and bright for myself. Today, I live.